In this video I'm going to show you how to trim TikTok video sound. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok application and there hit add plus sign to start creating new video. You can use your camera or you can upload some video from your gallery. I'll select that one and then I'll hit on next. Now all I have to do is hit add sounds icon to add here some sound. There I can use search icon to search for some specific sound, or I can select a sound from recommended. Now I'll just hit there on that sound, and now I have to hit there on scissors icon to be able to trim that sound. And now I can drag this audio row right or left to select the specific 15-second part of that sound, and when I like it I can just hit on done to apply that sound to my specific video. And now I can hit on next and continue creating this TikTok video as I normally do, and once I'm ready I can hit on post to post that video to my TikTok feed. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.